Hi, this is Sarah from Grain Processing Corporation, and I'm here with Angie and Carlena. And today we're making some oobleck with the first graders. At GPC, we take in corn and we make many different products, one of them being starch. So our little experiment today is to show kids what happens when water interacts with starch, making oobleck.
Oobleck. It feels like milk. Because it looks like milk, but it's not. We're making oobleck. It feels kind of good.
Yeah.
We dump that into the bucket, and look how. When you put it in and go fast, it doesn't get out. See, you have to go.
How does it feel?
So you have to go slowly.
It feels sticky?
I don't want to put my hand in. It feels squishy.
And when you hold, it's hard to get out.
Oh. Hi YouTubers, I'm gonna make it to the bucket.